What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any future uploads. But today we are reviewing the new, I said new, did I say new or new? I don't even know if I said it right. But anyways, this is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid. Really long name. So I heard that this fragrance smells like Burberry Goddess, and if you guys don't know, I absolutely love Burberry Goddess. I am Burberry Goddess. Everything about it, it's my signature scent. I really love that scent. For a long time, that's like all I was wearing, but I heard it smells similar to this, so let's go ahead and go over it. I picked up the travel size. Look, y'all, I'm trying to give y'all these reviews. It's a lot, so if I really like it, big bottle on the way. Big bottle on the way. Okay, so here is the bottle. Okay, there it goes. So it just is a little basic bottle, honestly, and I feel like Gucci's a really expensive brand, so I just feel like this travel size is like cute, but it's like this is the best we could get. Like, for an example, I have a review that's gonna come out of this fragrance too, but I just feel like Nest with the vanilla bourbon is just so much more bougie, but I mean, that's besides the point. We're not here to judge, okay? But anyways, Gucci, y'all know the brand, y'all know the deal. Here is the little box for it, and this is what the full bottle looks like. I'll put a picture up of the full bottle here, but honestly, their packaging for this always looks like grandma vibes to me. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that. I'm not saying the scents smell like grandma's. I'm just saying this looks like a granny, okay? I have to say it, okay? So this one, I'm excited to see if it smells like Burberry Goddess, because I know what that smells like. I don't even need the bottle in here. I know what that smells like. So let's go over notes really quick. So this one is really simple. You have top notes of Vanilla Duo, Vanilla Orchid, and Ozonic Accord. So Ozonic is supposed to be like it's a fantasy note, but it is like airy, fresh, like just, I don't know. But I do have another fragrance on this wrist. So I'm gonna spray it on the back of my hand and just go like that. So let's go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna let that air out a little bit. Ooh, y'all, hold on. Okay, I don't smell Burberry Goddess, but this is good. I don't have to say anything else. Granted, I don't have the other Floras, Gucci Gorgeous Girl, Glora, Gardenia, and Magnolia. I would want a full bottle in this for sure. This is really pretty. So in the opening, I'm almost getting something really citrusy, really clean. I don't know if I'm already just straight to the ozonic notes in this, but like the vanilla is not even that loud. I feel like it'll come through. There is like a bit of sweetness, but y'all, this is good. I really actually really like this, because sometimes you have like that vanilla that's very gourmand, almost not perfume, like just so realistically like sweet baked. But this is different. This is like perfumey vanilla, but it's airy, it's sweet. I'm gonna run through this for sure. This is like really good. This isn't Burberry Goddess to me. I don't know why people were saying that. There's something citrusy in this, like something fresh, zesty, orangey. I don't know if it's like lemony. It's something like along that line, like a limey type of vanilla. I can see this transforming into the ozonic notes, like transforming really well into this, because it almost is like zesty, clean vanilla, and then it's gonna dry down into something even more clean, fresh, airy. Yeah, I really like this. So I know some of the other ones, like the pink one, I like the way the purple one smells. I smelled that one in store, but never like was concerned enough about it to buy the big bottle. But I wouldn't say that this is necessarily like a only winter time, fall time vanilla, because it's not, absolutely not. Because like it's that orangey, citrusy vibe that like I'm getting hit with, that I really enjoy, y'all. I really like this. I really actually do. And this is the first impression, so I don't know how it's gonna last. I don't know like what it's gonna do, how it's gonna really transform. That's why I really don't like doing these, but I know y'all see the lights going down. So ooh, I like this. This is full bottle worthy. I feel like I will definitely get a full bottle of this. Like I be having like a little note on my phone and I put like fragrances that I want to buy. Some of them I buy travel sizes for. Now that newer fragrances are coming out, let me go to prices really quick. Okay, should I add to cart now? I really actually like this, and I really didn't know what to expect going into this. Burberry Goddess is like lavender, but there's almost a little bit of spice with the ginger, and then you just get like this very classy, elegant vanilla. To me, this isn't like with the vanilla duo. I'm not getting like a vanilla duo vibe. This has like a perfumey smell to it, and I don't even know how to describe it. Let me see something. Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid. So I would probably go 1 fluid ounce. I ain't try to break the bank because it's $105. Okay, like I want it, but I ain't gonna go, you know, $168 bottle. I don't need all that, but $105, I would do that. Anyways, add to basket. I really like this, you guys. I don't even know how to describe it. I would just say you get a zesty, almost orangey, almost like fresh vanilla smell, and it's very like airy, light. I don't know how this one's gonna last. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. I will do like a video talking about all the new fragrance releases because it is a lot, and I'm really concerned for my bank account, what I'm about to put her through in these upcoming months. But I think it's pretty. I think this is like a good transition thing because you have that vanilla. I think this would pair really good. So if you have Burberry Goddess in your collection, don't think you can't get this, because I was like, oh, if this is gonna smell like Burberry Goddess, I'm gonna like it, but I don't need it because I'm gonna ultimately pick Burberry Goddess over what y'all talking about. But this is actually really nice and different. I don't know why there's no notes of like some sort of like orange zesty lemony vibe. Like this gotta be a lie. But I definitely recommend this. Definitely will be getting a full-size bottle for the collection because this is a really nice one. I want to see how it kind of transforms. I love that perfuminess in it. Like it's not too vanilla. I really like this. It's like something really sweet, zesty, and vanilla and airy and clean about this fragrance that I really like. So I think Gucci did a really good job with this because I really enjoy it. Definitely full size worthy, and I do feel like this is more like summertime, springtime, but this can take me into the fall just because it is a little bit clean, like orangey vibes. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comment sections down below if you smelled this, if you're interested in it, what you guys think about it. I would love to hear your thoughts on it as well, because to me, this is really good and smells nothing like Burberry Goddess. So if you have Burberry Goddess and you have this, let me know if you think they smell alike, or you know, which one you think is better. I gotta go Burberry Goddess all day, every day. Like I can't trade on Burberry Goddess. That scent is the epitome of like beautiful. So I can't trade up on that one, but I really do enjoy this one. I do think they're different. I think they're pretty. So anyways, like I said, let me know how you guys feel about this in the comment sections down below. And until then, you have to catch my next one. So bye.